Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Discover Bank with scheduled ACH payments step by step clearly. To withdraw from Discover Bank using scheduled ACH payments, start by logging into your Discover Bank account. Navigate to the dashboard once you're logged in. Locate the Payments or Transfers section on the menu. Select the Scheduled Payments or Manage ACH Transfers option. Choose Add a new transfer or Create new payment. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select the account you want to withdraw funds from, typically your Discover checking or savings account. Input the receiving bank account details for the ACH transfer. Make sure to double-check the account number and routing number for accuracy. Choose the frequency for the scheduled payment, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Select the start date for your ACH withdrawals. Review all entered information to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the scheduled payment by clicking the Submit or Confirm button. You should see a summary of your scheduled ACH payment. Keep this confirmation for your records. The amount will be withdrawn from your Discover account on the specified date. Monitor your account to ensure the transfer processes as scheduled. If you need to cancel or modify the scheduled payment, return to the Scheduled Payments section. Follow the prompts to make any necessary changes or cancellations. Your transaction will reflect in your account activity shortly after the withdrawal occurs. If you encounter any issues, contact Discover Bank's customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.